Okay, so I'm ready to hoist up. I'm going to be able to do this for a little bit, and then I'm going to have to put my phone down with the camera just because I'm the only one here right now, and really don't want this huge soap block falling on my foot if I do something wrong. But I will show you how it hoists up. Here's the roller that it was on. Here's the I don't know the name for it, but this is the button that I press to get the soap up. And I want it about level right here. And then I'm going to slide it over from the top. I'll be back. Okay, so it's sitting on top here. There's a little panel underneath that makes it sit securely. And so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take off. I have to lower this a little bit. So I'm going to lower, create some give here. Okay, so that was the wires that helped me hoist that up. I'm going to take that off. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and unscrew these rods. When I first got this, I thought it was going to be a big deal because I'm used to pouring into silicone, much smaller batches, of course. But really, putting this mold together is super easy. Taking it apart is super easy too. So let me just get it started and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I got the screw off from one end, and I'm just going to simply pull it through. I did that to the bottom one as well. Now I'm going to go over to the other side and just take this off here. I know this isn't a screw, and my dad's a general contractor. He would probably laugh if he knew me calling this a screw. Somebody tell me what this is. I don't know what it's called. A wing nut? Maybe it's a wing nut. I have no idea. Anyway, taking these off, and then I'm just going to slide this other part right through, and I'll be back to show you how to take the mold off. I just dropped that. Okay, I went ahead and just pulled this one side off because when you get all of these screw rods out and the wing nuts or whatever those things are called, that first piece just wants to come right off, so I needed two hands to do that. But let me just go ahead and show you. So I can just pull this piece back here. Typically releases, I've got one hand free, so see how this goes. Okay, so it just releases like that, and I'm going to come around and do the rest.